If you are a software developer and you are using Visual Studio on Mac operating system, then this video is for you. There is a recent announcement from Microsoft on August 30, 2023 that they are going to retire this Visual Studio for Mac operating system. In this entire video, I will talk about what would be the impact of this retirement of Visual Studio on Mac operating system. Also, what are the alternatives and when exactly this retirement is happening. First, let's talk about the retirement of this Visual Studio for Mac operating system. Microsoft has announced the retirement of Visual Studio for Mac on August 30, 2023. But this will take 1 year. It means the actual retirement will happen on August 31, 2024. In this entire time of 1 year, Microsoft will provide only the security updates. Also, if there is any critical bug fix, as well as the compatibility with the Apple system. However, it is important to notice that in this entire 1 year, there will not be any kind of extra language support. Also, there will not be any kind of support for the extra runtimes or frameworks. Whatever is the state of this Visual Studio as of now, it will remain same just for the 1 year. And after 1 year, there will not be any kind of support from Microsoft for this Visual Studio. Now the question comes, will there be any impact on Windows or Linux operating system user because of this particular change? The answer is no. There is no impact on Windows user or the Linux user. Let's talk about another question. Does it mean I can no longer use Mac operating system for the .NET application development? Microsoft is only retiring the Visual Studio, which is just the editor. The other editor, for example, Visual Studio Code is there. You can also use some more powerful editor, for example, from JetBrains, and you can also take the help of some extensions that are specifically developed for the Visual Studio Code. What is the impact of this change on .NET MAUI developer? There is no change in the .NET MAUI development. They are just retiring the Visual Studio, not the .NET MAUI. If you are using Xamarin for your development, what would be the impact? The answer is, if possible, it is good to migrate your Xamarin application to the .NET MAUI. But if you are not able to migrate your Xamarin application on .NET MAUI, then there is no clear answer from Microsoft for this situation. We need to wait for some further information from Microsoft about this situation. The conclusion of this entire announcement is that Microsoft wants to focus more on Visual Studio for Windows and the Linux. If you are having any kind of impact of this change in your development, please let me know in the comment section below. And if the video was helpful, please like the video. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.